Alright, what's good, YouTube? What's poppin', y'all boys, man? It's your boy Amin. Feel me? Y'all know who it is, man. Stop playing. Come on, man. But yeah, so this is gonna be one of my vlogs pre-trip. So I'm gonna take a trip. So I was thinking, like, should I vlog or what? Like, feel me? But I was gonna cop a camera to vlog. Feel me? Instead of just doing it on my phone. But so I went to Target and they was out of stock of cameras, so I couldn't cop one. So I was gonna wait till the end of my trip, just vlog on my phone. But I don't know, bro. I don't know. But I got a little full review for y'all boys. So yeah, man. Got a little full review for y'all. Feel me? I'm on my break, cranking the vlogs. You heard? I think it's this place. Got a little full review for y'all. Hold up. So I got my food. Like I said, it was 2024, bro. $20.24, gang. I don't know if I could spend that every day for some food on my break. You feel me? But yeah, bro. I'ma hit y'all when we get to the break room so I can bust this down. Alright, what's good, YouTube? Got to the break room. I wanted to show y'all in there, but bro, I wanted to show y'all inside the like little restaurant, but bro, I was getting stared at, bro. Like, I don't know why, but yeah, bro, they was staring at me, so I wasn't trying. I don't know, bro. I gotta get used to recording, but fries coming. They like crispy, like, bro. They got it, bro. And everything fresh. Oh my god. Little thumbnail for me. This how everything looking. For me, look, thumbnail. Oh, my drink is in the refrigerator. Alright, let's get into one of these little chicken wings for me. Y'all can see them. Crispy, fresh for me. Had to wait 15 minutes for these. Paid $20.24. Okay. One of the little fries in the sauce. I don't know why, but the taste not registering. Let me see. So the sauce is definitely like a little, like, I don't know, I feel like it'll be from a Chinese store, like. it definitely will spin back. It's just the price, bro. Like, this could have been a smooth $15, $13 even. $13.99 after tax, $15. Feel me? They didn't have to do too much, but $20? Crazy. But definitely, they got it though. I can't lie too. Before coming here, I was scared. Jersey Bagel Pizza, Jersey Bagel and Pizza Cafe. I think, I don't know, man. Nevertheless, it's alright. Let's try some celery, feel me? See what's this too. Blue cheese. Blue cheese is good, it's good. This wing been looking at me. Let's try it. Blue cheese fries. They're the perfect like amount of like the temperature, like they fresh, bro. They said wait 15 minutes. I already knew what time it was, bro. This food was about to be fresh, bro. But yeah, I'm gonna give it a 9. Cool little 9. Or actually 8.5. lose 1.5 because of the price, bro. I ain't gonna lie. Because I could actually come here and get this, like, right by my job. But $20, cuz, every time? No. Bad money management. Alright, y'all boys, I'm gonna get off my break. Feel me? Good, bro, good. That was like 8.9 after the fact, bro, because I started getting my last bites in. Definitely enhanced it, bro. But yeah, y'all boys, I'm gonna catch y'all in the next one, bro. But yeah, man, hashtag definitely reheating when I get to the crib. Definitely reheating and eating when I get to the crib. Feel me? But check the fit out. Black hoodie, essential. Black polo.
There you'll find all kinds of savings and time savers right in your pocket and only
black work pants, worn out. Black work shoes.
It's also great on the go when you want to manage your prescriptions or book a vaccine appointment for your entire family. Kind of incredible, right? Download today and tap in.
Alright, what's good, YouTube? So I just got off work, so that's gonna cap off this video, man. You heard, them was some good portions, I can say. Definitely tap in. Jersey Bagel and Pizza Cafe. You feel me? Might have messed up the name a few times this video, but food was good nevertheless, man. Hot honey wings and fries. $20.84. I'm still on that, cause like, bro, that's crazy. Feel me? But nevertheless, hot, fresh portions. Get you some.
Oh, that way.